Okay, stop. Seriously, put your wallet down. How many times have you signed up for some fancy AI tool that promises a revolutionary workflow only to cancel it 2 months later because it's just bad? I've been there. I've wasted hundreds on bad design apps, clunky research tools, and AI writers that sound like they learned English from a textbook. And while I was busy doing that, ChatGPT quietly dropped 5 killer features that are 100% free, and they replace almost every paid subscription on my credit card statement. Stick around, because I'm ranking them from the worst, still good, to the absolute game changers. The last 3 are pure gold. We're starting with number 5, and we're building up to the biggest feature drop of the year. #5. Customizable personality presets. This one sounds silly, but hear me out. For the longest time, ChatGPT sounded like, well, a robot. Now, right in the settings, you can choose a personality preset like friendly, efficient, professional, candid, or quirky. It's the small thing that makes a huge difference in the final output. I used to use a separate $15-month tone checker, just to make sure my emails didn't sound boring. Gone. Prompt exempt. Write a quick apology email to a client, but use the candid personality preset. Output example. Hey client name, my bad on the delay with that asset. Totally slipped my mind. It's priority 1, now I. LL, have it over to you by the end of the day. Thanks for the patience. C. Actually, human. It saves you from having to type. Now make it sound less formal. #4. Improve deep search with visual context. We all know ChatGPT can search the web, but this is different. It's deeper research in visual context. If you ask it about a new product or a famous landmark, it doesn't just give you a wall of text. It pulls in relevant inline images, maps, and charts right next to the information. I once paid a tool for a visual research digest. I could have just asked ChatGPT for free. Prompt example. What is the latest advancement in 3D printing for home use? Include an image of an example product. Output example is simulated. The newest trend is resin-based desktop printing. These systems, like the hypothetical printer model, offer significantly smoother surfaces and finer details than traditional filament models, making them ideal for high-precision miniatures and jewelry prototyping. It makes the information instantly easier to digest, and you get the proof without having to open Google Images. Number A. Free access to GPT-4o's multimodality. Now we're getting into the winners. Before, file upload and image analysis were the biggest reasons to pay for Plus. Not anymore. The free tier now lets you upload images, PDFs, and even your messy handwritten notes, and ask questions about them using the powerful GPT-4o model. I had a $10 month PDF summarizer tool that is officially dead to me. Prompt example after uploading a screenshot of a chart. Analyze this sales chart. What were the top 2 performing regions in Q3? And what is the biggest year-over-year percentage change? Output example. The top 2 performing regions in Q3 were West Coast $4.2 MA and Mid-Atlantic $3.9 million. The biggest year-over-year change was a 15% increase in the Mountain region. It literally reads your documents and charts and does the analysis for you. This is the definition of a time saver. #2. Shopping research guides. I'm calling this one the Amazon review killer. The new shopping research feature lets you ask for a product recommendation, and it goes deep. It asks clarifying questions, scours multiple retail sites and reviews, and gives you a personalized buyer's guide with clear constraints and trade-offs. Prompt example. I need a new mid-range noise-canceling headphone for my commute. My budget is under $250. Give me a comparison of the top 3 options. This isn't just a summary, it's structured, comparative data. I canceled my review aggregator subscription the minute I saw this. #1. The projects feature with project-level memory. Okay, if you only use one feature on this list, make it this one. This is the game changer. It's called Projects, and it's basically an organized, focused workspace for your AI. I used to start a new chat for every single topic. For YouTube scripts, one for emails, one for data analysis. But the biggest problem was memory contamination. I'd ask it to write a formal email, then a fun script, and the email would start sounding like a children's televisión Sovos. Projects solves this. Separate. Context. Each project has its own memory and file uploads. A client, a marketing project will never contaminate your fiction novel outline project. Custom instructions per project. You can set specific rules for that project only. For my YouTube scripts, I set the instruction. Act as a friendly, witty, 25-year-old content creator. Keep paragraphs short and use bolding for emphasis. Unlimited organization. You can create as many projects as you want for free. This isn't just a folder, it's a massive, permanent upgrade to how you interact with it. It's what transforms ChatGPT from a cool toy into a deadly, personalized, highly organized assistant. Look, the free tier of ChatGPT is getting smarter and more powerful than paid tools were just 6 months ago. Stop paying those monthly fees for single-use apps. The value is all right here, for free. If you're ready to put these free features to work, you need the right fuel. I've put together my top 50 power prompts, the exact prompts I use to get these incredible outputs in seconds. I'm giving them to you for free. Click the link in the description to download my free prompt pack right now. And if this video just saved you $20 or more a month, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next time a paid tool dies. A quiet, painful death. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.